Hey there, fixers. So today we're gonna turn off for momentarily the auto start on your vehicle. Sometimes it gets annoying because you're in a traffic or whatever, and it starts and stops. So this is gonna do it just for one drive cycle. That means that if you turn off your car and turn it back on, it's gonna engage again, or enable again, or turn on again. So how to turn it off is you go right here to other. Right here you put auto stop. You turn it off. You go back here. Right now it's off right there. But if I turn off the vehicle and I turn it back on, it's gonna engage again or turn back on. So that's the automatic function that the vehicle has. You can never turn it off completely, but if you want to turn it off momentarily or for one drive cycle, that's how you do it. Okay, that's it, guys.